So through the Just Park website, no affiliation, but it's a great app for finding car parking near places you want to go to, especially if you want to head to the beach on a lovely beautiful day like this. I can't remember, this is Percy Avenue in Broadstairs, and then it turns into Marine Drive, and you can just see there's no gaps, there's no parking here. It looks free, which is great, but you've got to get here early. Anyway, luckily through that Just Park app, we managed to find parking on someone's drive just down the road, and we're heading towards the beach. So this path I think will take us down to Botany Bay, or one of the paths nearby will take us down, and then the next beach along is Kingsgate Bay. So it's not even 11 o'clock, it's a Saturday and it's very busy. Oh, the water looks lovely though, packed with families. Not sure how far the beach stretches down, and I'm not sure we're going to camp here. We might head to Kingsgate, because apparently Kingsgate is it's less busy, and these steps are very wide and long. Not too sure if it's buggy friendly. I suppose so if there's two of you, but easy enough to get down. Oh, it is very busy actually. Lovely. Oh, nice little place to get snacks and drinks, cash only. Oh, look at that. Oh, it is beautiful. I can tell even from here it's beautiful. I don't think we're going to camp here though, it's way too busy. It's only 11 o'clock. It is lovely though. We've left Botany Bay. It was quite busy. I mean, we could have stayed there, but we intended to come to Kingsgate Bay, which is apparently a max 10-minute walk. Much steeper steps as we go down to Kingsgate Bay, and it's lovely, isn't it? Beautiful day. So we're going to set up camp and enjoy the rest of the day.
Kingsgate Beach for about 3 hours now. The tide has gone out, so it's given me the opportunity to explore further around the coastline. Now this would be an excellent, you see the formation of what would have been the waves before. They've made the pattern in the sand. Now that the tide has gone out, it's a good opportunity to rock pool. So if you're familiar with the area, you may know the pattern of the tides. If not, and your kids like to rock pool, it would be a really lovely opportunity to check the tide and work out your visit so that the kids would have an opportunity to rock pool as well. All of this was covered with water. The sea was all the way up to this building, the structure there. But now it's allowed Kingsgate to be connected with another beach, and I'm not sure because we passed Botany Bay. That up ahead could possibly be Viking Bay, but I'm not 100% sure. So actually no, it's not Viking Bay, because Viking Bay has a lot of like pastel colored beach huts. So I'm not sure what beach this is actually. I'm going to have to check that out, and I'll put it in the comment box.
Okay, so it's near the end of our day here. The sun's gone in, it's slowly trying to creep back out behind some clouds behind us, but I think we'd have probably packed up and gone by then. It's been a really nice, relaxing, long day, and we wanted it to be a long day because it takes a good couple of hours to get here from London. So if you like this video, and if you like what we do, like and subscribe to our channel. And anything you want to say, son?
If you want to see more videos, please hit the notification bell.
Oh, look, the sun's coming in.
Yeah.
Just as you said that. That's right. So if you hit the notification bell, you'll get to see future videos from us, and leave us some comments. Let us know what you think. Until next time, take care.